Welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful and iconic machines in the heavy equipment world, the Caterpillar D10, but this time we're looking at the 2026 model. The D10 has always stood as a symbol of brute force combined with engineering precision, and Caterpillar has taken everything operators loved about the previous versions and added a new level of refinement, efficiency, and technological innovation. Whether you're in mining, large-scale earthmoving, or heavy construction, the D10 has always been a serious tool for serious jobs, and the 2026 edition takes that reputation even further. Starting on the outside, the design language of the D10 remains instantly recognizable, with that commanding blade up front and the massive ripper at the back. But look a little closer and you'll notice subtle refinements. The 2026 model has improved aerodynamics around the engine hood and updated grille designs that allow better airflow while giving the machine a slightly sharper, more modern look. The track frames are stronger but lighter thanks to advanced metallurgy, reducing stress on the undercarriage and extending service intervals. The blade itself has been redesigned with reinforced curvature, allowing it to carry more material with each push while requiring less horsepower to move. Caterpillar also integrated smarter lighting, with LED work lights mounted at multiple angles to flood the job site with visibility during night operations. Swinging around to the sides, you'll notice Caterpillar's updated modular track system. The shoes are easier to swap, and the rollers are now sealed with an improved lubricant retention system. This means less downtime and more productivity. The rear ripper has been redesigned for versatility, with adjustable shank angles that can be hydraulically tuned from the operator's seat, giving better penetration in tough ground. And for those working in extreme climates, the D10 now comes with factory-fitted options like Arctic packages and dust-resistant seals, so the machine adapts more effectively to whatever environment it's placed in. Now let's climb up and step inside. The cab is where Caterpillar has made some of the biggest changes for 2026. It's no longer just a rugged space to endure long shifts, it's become a highly ergonomic, technology-rich command center. The operator's seat is fully adjustable in multiple directions with integrated heating, cooling, and vibration dampening. The controls are laid out intuitively with joystick steering and blade functions, replacing the older lever setups and dramatically reducing operator fatigue. You'll also notice the high-resolution touchscreen display right in front. This system ties together GPS guidance, grade control, machine health diagnostics, and even real-time fuel consumption data. Noise reduction has been a big focus, too. The new D10 cab uses double-sealed insulation and active noise cancellation technology, cutting down on both engine roar and track noise. Visibility has been improved with larger windows, slimmer pillars, and integrated camera systems. Operators can now see a 360-degree view of the machine on the display, enhancing safety on crowded job sites. Even creature comforts aren't overlooked, with multiple USB ports, Bluetooth connectivity, and climate control that maintains consistent temperature no matter the weather outside. When we talk about performance, the 2026 D10 raises the bar. Under the hood, it carries Caterpillar's next-generation high-efficiency diesel engine, pushing out around 850 horsepower while meeting the latest emission standards. This engine isn't just about raw muscle, though. Caterpillar has tuned it for torque delivery, meaning it moves immense amounts of material while consuming significantly less fuel compared to earlier models. In fact, field tests show fuel savings of up to 7% in standard operations, which adds up quickly when you're running multiple machines across long shifts. The transmission has been re-engineered with electronic controls that automatically optimize gear selection based on load and terrain. This means smoother operation, reduced wear on the powertrain, and more consistent productivity. The hydraulic system has also been upgraded for faster blade response and improved efficiency, allowing operators to make precise adjustments with minimal effort. Combined with advanced grade control technology, the D10 can achieve near-perfect finish quality with fewer passes, saving both time and operating costs. Caterpillar has also leaned into autonomy and semi-autonomy features. The 2026 D10 can be equipped with CAT command, allowing operators to run the machine remotely from a safe distance, which is a huge advantage in hazardous mining or demolition environments. There's also an assist mode where the Bulldozer makes micro-adjustments automatically to keep the blade at the optimal angle, letting the operator focus on the bigger picture rather than every tiny correction. Durability has always been the hallmark of Caterpillar equipment, and the new D10 continues that legacy. Reinforced frame structures, longer-lasting ground-engaging tools, and simplified service access points all contribute to lower maintenance costs and higher uptime. Caterpillar's product-linked system constantly monitors machine health, sending data back to the fleet manager and predicting issues before they cause breakdowns. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know, the price. The 2026 Caterpillar D10 is a premium piece of equipment, and it's priced accordingly. Depending on the configuration, the base price sits around $3.5 million, with fully loaded versions climbing closer to $4 million. That's a serious investment, but Caterpillar customers understand that the return comes in the form of unmatched productivity, reduced downtime, and lower fuel and maintenance costs over the life of the machine. For companies working in industries where moving massive amounts of material efficiently makes or breaks profitability, the D10 more than pays for itself. In summary, the 2026 Caterpillar D10 represents the next step in the evolution of heavy machinery. It blends brute strength with smart technology, operator comfort with rugged durability, and performance with efficiency. It's a bulldozer designed not just to move dirt but to redefine what's possible in modern earthmoving. Whether you're an operator who spends long shifts in the cab, a fleet manager focused on uptime and cost savings, or simply someone fascinated by the engineering marvels of our time, the new D10 is a machine worth paying attention to. And that's our in-depth look at the Caterpillar D10 for 2026.